care about is one person when everyone else on this planet's about to die. How pathetically human.
Why would he take Jordan?
I don't know how much time we have before he's gone.
I have seen how capable the boys have become. They're strong, like their father.
Like their mother.
You can't do it alone. You have to let us help you.
Need to evacuate Smallville.
We can go, we can stay and help.
We stay and help. You're gonna fail. Again.
Where is my son?
You have no idea what's coming next.
Dad!
Even Superman won't be able to stop it.
Oh my God.
Dad!
Please help me, I don't want to die.
Superman and Lois, season finale Tuesday at 9, Central. Free next day only on the CW app.